In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable button in Framer that redirects users to a specific website. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on skills, this guide will help you effectively utilize Framer's features to enhance your project. First things first, let's open Framer. If you have the program installed, simply launch it from your applications. Once you're in, open the project you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, you might want to create a new project and set up your workspace according to your creative vision. Now that we have our project open, we'll need to add a button to the page. To do this, head to the Insert option located among the utilities. This is an excellent feature Framer provides to add components to your project seamlessly. Once you've found it, search for the button component. With a simple click, drag it onto your page wherever you want it to be. This could be centered to draw attention or placed strategically within your design. It's entirely up to you. Once the button is on your page, we need to configure it so that it will redirect users to your desired link when clicked. Look to the right side of your screen. You'll find the Properties panel. Here, you'll see an option labeled URL. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be prompted to paste your link there. This URL will be the destination your users will visit when interacting with the button you just placed. Moving on, after successfully pasting your link, the next step is to make your project live by publishing it. At the top right corner of your workspace, you'll find a Publish button. Click on it, and Framer will handle the rest, deploying your project onto the web, ready for anyone to view. Your project is now published, and you should see a preview of your new website. Click on it to open your live project. Now, test the functionality by clicking on the button. Each time someone clicks on this button, according to your setup, they will be automatically redirected to the URL you specified earlier, creating a seamless user experience that guides them effortlessly to your desired web page. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a functional redirecting button to your Framer project. Remember, this can be an incredibly powerful tool for directing traffic in your app or web design.